little by little. Y eso se usa mucho en español también, poco a poco. Gradually, slowly, okay? Little by little. So the first example that I have for you is Carla's health, la TH aquí, Carla's health seems to be improving little by little. La salud de Carla parece estar mejorando, algo así, poco a poco. Sorry, I'm not a translator again, but it's just to give you an idea of what it means. But I think you know, because poco a poco se usa mucho en español y se usa mucho en inglés también. Carla's health seems to be improving little by little. ¿Cómo se dice, cómo se pronuncia little? Little. Pero la T, little, es casi como una D o casi como una R. Little, little, little by little. Second example of little by little, the second sentence that I wrote. If you study regularly, little by little, your vocabulary will increase. If you study regularly, little by little, your vocabulary will increase. Yes, Carlos, recovering slowly. This is a great verb, to recover. And that goes with the first sentence, okay? So the second sentence, if you study regularly, little by little, so step by step, your vocabulary will increase. So increase, to increase, in it's aumentar. And in this, there might be other words in Spanish that we could use here, but to increase, usually it means aumentar. Will improve is better. Yes, your vocabulary will, yes, you can say improve in this sense, en este contexto, but also will increase, meaning increase quantity, the number of words that you know. But you can also say will improve. Yes. Excellent. Thank you.